How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to foam roll your hips. The first thing we're going to be doing is a figure 4 foam roll. For those who don't know, a figure 4 stretch is coming here. Bring that knee up towards your head. We're just going to do that with a foam roller. So I'm going to come right here with it. Go into that figure 4, so knee over. Throw that foam roller under your leg. You'll be rolling out that hip. Once you find a tight spot, put a little bit of pressure onto it and work out that knot. Up next, we are going to be rolling out the T-band. So we're going to come, bottom leg's going to be straight. We're going to throw that top leg over that bottom leg, rolling out the side of the quad. Looking for any tight spots. Once you do find one, a little bit of pressure there, roll it out and get that knot out. And finally, we're going to roll out the psoas. So we're going to be coming here. The leg that's not on the foam roller is going to be parallel to it. We're going to throw the foam roller on the inside of the quad, rolling it up towards the groin, looking for any tight spots. Once you find one, put a good amount of pressure onto it and slowly work it out.